As I look out to this view of the hills and valleys yonder, I have nothing but waves of gratitude and appreciation for creation. I look at the greenery and the verdant land, and this is pure life force energy. All together we create one in unity, one wholeness. Though diverse and different in our species, it is only in our unison that we create magic, we create life, we sustain each other. The plants, the sun, the sea, working effortlessly and easily together. Wow. Breathing in the fresh air, feeling at one with all that is. Look at the skyline. Look at nature. Teeming with life.